There are some entities for which we cannot automatically apply IXBRL tags. These are UK and Republic of Ireland incorporated charities, IFRS clients, and other incorporated entities in both the UK and ROI. The Sage Assisted Tagging document tagging view is there to help with this. You can open IXBRL document tagging from both Sage Accounts Production and Sage Accounts Production Advanced. First, let's look at Sage AP. If you've previously saved your final account as a Word document, you can open Sage Assisted Tagging from the Tools menu, choosing Product Links, IXBRL Document Tagging, and then choosing Import a New File. You must make sure though that these are your final accounts and that you won't make any further changes in Word. In Sage Accounts Production Advanced, there are two ways to open Sage Assisted Tagging in the IXBRL document tagging view. As for Sage AP, if you've previously saved your final account as a Word document, go to the Tools menu, Product Links, IXBRL Document Tagging. And then import a new file. Alternatively, you can choose to run the accounts and open them straight into the document tagging view. Choose Full Accounts, or it may have a different name depending on the client you're using, and then choose Final Accounts. IXBRL accounts will become available and you can tick that. Again, please be sure that these are your final accounts and that you're not going to make any further changes. Click Run and your accounts will be prepared in document tagging. Whichever way you open the file, you'll be asked to answer a few questions, which will allow us to automatically tag some of the content for you. Enter your period end date, and the period start date will automatically complete, but you can change it. Prior period dates are also automatically entered, but you can change those too. Or, if this is the first trading period, tick the box and the prior year dates will be cleared. Choose the entity type and the taxonomy and currency will automatically be selected, but you can change them. Entering these details and the registration number, and charity number in this case, allows us to inspect the report and automatically tag them for you. You must make sure that the information you enter is correct for the automatic tagging to be applied. Click OK and the accounts are prepared. You can see the items that we've tagged automatically shown in green on the right hand display. The next thing to do is confirm the statements shown on the left hand side. Look at each statement in turn, and if the assumption we've made is wrong, you can change it by clicking on the text. A drop down box appears showing alternative options. Click the correct value and the drop down box disappears and the statement changes. Do this for all of the statements you need to change. When you've finished, tick the box that says you've checked all the statements and click Proceed. You can see how many tags we've already applied for you here. The next step is tagging the document. You'll notice that if you click on an area that is already highlighted in green, the tag we've given it is selected in the list of the available tags and shown on the left. This makes it easy to change it if you want to. Work your way through the document and tag items that you know need tagging. Select a word, name, sentence or value in the preview, and then choose the relevant tag from the list on the left hand side. You can do this by searching for the tag. Enter a relevant search term, and if the tag you want appears in the list, click it. You may need to add additional information or further dimensions. But don't worry if you miss this, because when you click Confirm tag, if dimensions are required, you'll be prompted to add them. The Edit Dimensions window appears and the dimension you need to choose will be shown in red. Choose from the drop-down list, then click OK. You'll see that the text in the preview is highlighted green and the tag has been applied. You need to repeat this process for all of the tags you need to apply. If you know what tags you need to apply, you can always work the other way around. Find the tag in the available list, select it, highlight the text that you want to apply the tag to, and click Confirm Tag. When you've tagged everything you need, click Proceed. Confirm that you've finished tagging and the Confirm Signatories tab appears. You need to check that the statements are correct and that the correct trustees are set as the assigned signatories. Simply click on the green text to show a drop-down list that you can choose from and make your selection. You can choose more than one if you need to. Tick the box to prove that you've checked them all, then click Validate and Generate iXBRL. Any mandatory tags that you've missed will be detailed one by one, and to clear these, find the relevant value or text in the accounts and highlight it, and then click Confirm. The next validation will appear until they are all cleared. You can skip the remaining issues if you like, but there's a good chance your submission will be rejected if there are missing mandatory tags. Your iXBRL statement is prepared. The location that the file is saved to is shown in the left-hand pane. Just click Save to another location if you want to keep it elsewhere. You can still go back to the Tag Document tab and add more tags if you want, but you'll need to continue through the other steps again to regenerate your iXBRL file. When you're done, click Close to go back to your Accounts program. And there you've generated your iXBRL Accounts file, ready for submission.